Here in the video, we are going to talk about MLB 9 Rivals error code 200. The error reads, failed to log in. Please try again as this may be a temporary issue. If the problem persists, please contact Hive customer support. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to log into the game. The error seems to appear only on specific accounts, while others can log in without any issue. According to our research, the error may come because of network issues, GPU or BIOS problems, or something from the game's server end. Now let's come to troubleshoots for the error. The first thing we suggest is to power cycle your internet along with your device and try again. Once restarted, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, try updating your GPU drivers and BIOS, then check for the error again. If the error still persists, verify the game files and see if this helps with the error. If the error still doesn't resolve, then it may be a server-side issue. So wait for some time and try again. At last, if you still get the error, then report the issue to the game support. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.